What's up guys, Jury here, and in this course I will show you how to create your own affiliate web store. So there are included two methods what I will show you. First one is how to create affiliate web store with programming skills, and second one is how to create affiliate web store without any programming skills, with scripts for WordPress. All these scripts I will provide you for free, so make sure to check these lectures and software and scripts what I will include in these education materials. So make sure to check them out. And for any questions about how to build this store, you can also ask me and I will show you in detailed. I will record for every student a detailed reply and will publish on YouTube, so you will be able to check it out anytime you want. So this is great way how you can start generating income online. So make sure to check this course and also check my other course about Google Editor. Simply click on my profile and you will see all materials what I provide here. So hope to see you soon. Bye.